DIY woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com. Hey, Avidu here from myoutdoorplans.com, and today I'm excited to share a brand new project with you. This shelter is designed to keep your horses protected from sun, rain, and wind, using a strong skid foundation and straightforward framing that anyone can tackle with basic tools. Let's get started and build something practical that will last for years. As always, full plans with cut and shopping lists on my blog, myoutdoorplans.com. If you have any questions, feedback, or ideas for future designs, let me know in the comments below. See step-by-step tutorial with full cut and shopping lists at myoutdoorplans.com.